Try and get a little video with the Canon camera I got a while ago. The bunny seemed not thrilled with the contraption, the camera and tripod. But didn't run away. You didn't run away, did you? Boy, look at that color. Boy, that is much better than the phone. Holy smokes, you can see the reddish brown on the back of his neck and head. Oh, you get not a frame bite. Or her. I don't know if it's a boy or a girl. But it's the bolder of the bunnies here. The bolder of the rabbits that isn't really scared of me anymore as long as I keep a respectable distance. As long as I give it enough space, and I can get pretty close, but I don't have to with this camera because I've got a telephoto lens. But it was definitely watching me. Wow, I can't get over that color, man. It is so much better than my crappy phone camera. You can really see that reddish brown on the back of its neck and by its shoulders. I was mostly wanting to see how it would do in this morning light, although now it's already... Whoops. All right, buddy.